I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. You focus on the build, we'll focus on the books.
Watch this video to learn how to edit an invoice in Xero to keep your sales transactions accurate and up to date. First, find the invoice in Xero to edit it. If you know the contact name, invoice number, or amount, use the global search icon. Or click Sales, then select Invoices. You can edit an invoice with any status, but you may need to remove payments from the invoice to edit some fields. Scroll in the All tab, select a different tab, or use Search to find the invoice. Let's start with editing a draft invoice. The process for editing awaiting approval invoices is the same. Click the Draft tab and select the invoice you want to edit. Once you open a draft invoice, you can edit any field by clicking it and entering the updated information. In this example, we'll update the price column to change the amount to match the price we've agreed with the customer. Xero automatically saves your changes as you go. To finalize and send the invoice, click Approve and Email. Let's return to the Invoices screen to edit an invoice that is awaiting payment. Select the Awaiting Payment tab and click the invoice you want to edit. In the invoice, click the menu icon, then select Edit. Click the field you want to change and enter the updated information. Finally, click Update to save your changes. It's important to note that when you edit an awaiting payment invoice, Xero doesn't automatically notify your customer of the updates. If you sent the online invoice from Xero, it will automatically reflect the changes, but it's a good idea to resend the invoice or email your customer to tell them about the changes. If you've previously downloaded a PDF, get the new version by clicking the Update drop-down and selecting Print PDF. Select Email to update your customer of the changes to the invoice. Indicate the changes in the message field and click Send Email to notify them. Let's return to the Invoices screen to edit a paid invoice. Select the Paid tab, find the invoice, and click to view it. Click the menu icon, then select Edit. You can only edit white fields, attach a file, or change a payment service on a paid invoice. Remember to click Update if you change any of those fields. If you need to change grayed out fields, like the price or tax rate, you'll first need to remove applied payments, credit notes, prepayments, or overpayments. To remove an applied payment, click the payment link to view the details. On the Transaction Payment page, click the Options drop-down and select Remove and Redo. Then, click the menu icon and select Edit to update any of the fields that were grayed out. Finally, click Update to make your changes. Remember to reapply any payments you removed to ensure your records are accurate. Now you know how to edit an invoice in Xero to keep your sales transactions accurate and up to date.